Hi everyone, my Erin Condren order came in. I wanted to share with you all what I got, so let's take a look. This is a vegan leather folio. The closure is magnetic, and this is in the color blush. It is so pretty. I like that it has a lot of pockets. It can have whatever you want in it. And then I like that it has a bigger pocket in the center. You can put your planner however you want, or notepad or anything in here. I like that it has a pin loop. This is just very pretty. I'm loving it. A lot of room to store, like I said, whatever you want. This is the Etta V Happy Colors strap. And I love that it's an array of different colors. It'll match with a lot of different bags, and it feels very sturdy. It also has the blush at the end, and it's just perfect to go with any bag. Just give it a pop of color. So this beautiful strap is next, and let me open it up. This strap is called the Neutral Watercolor Stripes. This is just so pretty. I love the gold and the black, and it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. The colors on it are very pretty, and it's adjustable. I cannot wait to try this out. It is very, very pretty. This bag is next. Let me open it up. This is the Color Block Wisteria and Black Canvas Crossbody. It has a zipper pocket on the back. It does come with a dust bag, which is nice. And then it has pockets on one side, along with this little D-ring. You can hang keys or whatever it is you want on there. And it's a beautiful bag. Here is the bottom. I just wanted to show that it doesn't have feet, but it does have the vegan leather and not the canvas. Here's everything I received in my Erin Condren order. Down below is a link so that you can get $10 off your first order. And let me know if you guys have any of these items. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.